A warm welcome and namaste to all of you. You are watching the spiritual episode number 4 on The Pep Talk with me, Sudeep Nag. Friends, today I'm going to talk about leadership. Let me begin this episode with a small story. Here lived a great king, and one day he decided to dwell into some of the villages of his own kingdom with a few soldiers. And so he did. So as he walked through the lanes, he noticed a huge field, and suddenly something attracted him, and he walked slowly towards the gate of the field. On going further, he noticed a big lump, a heap of land just at the center, surrounded by crops in that particular field. And he noticed a man standing below the heap, somewhere far away. As he neared, the man recognized that the king was coming towards his field, and he moved towards the king and opened the gate. And he welcomed the king with a big smile and excitement. And he asked the king to have lunch at his place. But after a few moments, he climbed on top of the heap. And then he suddenly started shouting at the king and said, "Why did you come here? Please go away. You should ask me before entering, and you should take permission before coming to my field." The king was shocked, taken aback at the sudden change of colors of this man. But being wise, he quietly went away. But the next day, he ordered his soldiers to go and investigate the matter, see what's beneath the heap. So they did. They dug the heap and they saw a big, beautiful throne which they brought to the king. On seeing the throne, the king was excited. It was such a beautiful, big throne that he wanted to sit in. But there were 32 heads built on the throne. So as the king went to sit, one of the heads spoke to the king, asked a question. He spoke of a certain value and said, "Oh, the king, you want to sit on this throne, but do you have this value in you? If you don't, you cannot sit on this throne." So the king thought about it and he went back. He didn't sit. After a month, he came back and said, "I do have the value now. I didn't have then, I developed it." And then he sat. As soon as he went to sit, again the next head spoke to him of another value. Again the king didn't sit and went back and came back after a few days. Until each time he wanted to sit, all the 32 heads one by one asked him questions whether he had a particular value in him or not. So the king needed to have all the 32 values to actually finally sit on this throne. So friends, as leaders, it's important to recognize the values that you must have. And for that, you must ask yourself a few questions. Not 32, of course, but as many as you want. Evaluate yourself whether you have those skills to be a good leader. Friends, I hope this video will be useful for you in the corporate, also in any other field that you're working as a leader or aspiring to be one. Thank you for watching the Pep Talk once again with me. Have a nice day and see you soon.